Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to fix headset echo using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to click on your start icon and search for mmsys.cpl. So just go ahead and click on the control panel item. You want to click on recording. You want to right click on microphone. Click on Properties, click on Listen, and you need to make sure that this box for Listen to this device is unchecked. Okay? So once you uncheck this box, just go ahead and click on Apply button at the lower right corner of this tab. Okay? So after that, that should help you with your problem. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.